to my channel. Well, I don't even know what I was doing. Some kind of weird jazz moves. Who knows? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Today I have an exciting wig review. I did a name brand wig haul where I purchased some Estetica wigs and some Belle Tress. And these were wigs that I've been wanting and waiting for. So I purchased them because I wanted them for like my own personal use, not just to review. And I'm already so glad that I did. So this one today is Estetica's BLAZE, okay? And this is part of their lace or front lace line wigs, okay? Front lace line wigs, yeah. And this is Miss Blaze. I have Blaze in the color R30/28/26, okay? And I got her from Name Brand Wigs. And I scooped Miss Blaze up. She was $230 and I believe I had 30 or 40% off. So I either paid $161 or $138 for her. I'll include all the clips of me getting her together. It wasn't much. Some Deets on Blaze. This is a lace front with a left-sided monofilament parting. Okay, so that means you can kind of part it any way that you want. This is how I chose to do it. These fibers are very fine fibers, very soft, and this is all of the hair to the front. So it's definitely a realistic density and it's very, very comfortable. I wouldn't say the wig cap is I am wearing a wig grip and I didn't tighten it, so it's not going anywhere, but I do think that this could work for a larger wig cap. I do believe that they come, some of their styles come in petite and then also large, so you have to just check that out. But I think this one could potentially work because there is some room to move in this. It does have bendable ear tabs, okay? The lace, as you can see from the video, is just from temple to temple on me. I did cut the lace back, which I don't normally do, but just the way that it was sitting on me, I felt like the lace was coming down just a little bit too low for me to able to cover it up with powder and like look realistic. All right, let's look at her from the big. How gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. I love this wig. I love this color. I'm so happy that I got her. I was watching another wig reviewer, Fabricating Fringe, and I'm pretty sure she had Blaze in this color. And that's what made me decide to get her. I really wanted to get her in one of those coffee colors, but those are so hard to like get your hands on. Yeah, I just love how it's sort of this soft wave. Like I said, you can adjust the part. So the monofilament part goes from here to here. So you have quite a bit of room to adjust it. So you could have it be a little bit further left, or also you could have it more in the middle. So yeah, look how pretty that is. I feel like this is a longer version of Ocean, just the way the style is. So if you would like me to compare to see if that is the case, and I think I have Ocean in a similar color, not this exact color, but a similar color. So I think I will do that, compare this one to Ocean. I'm so happy that I got this wig. She is about 18-ish inches, 20-ish at the longest layer. No, she's about 18 inches. And like I said, this is all the hair to the front, so it's not a ton of hair. And I think this would be easy, natural, very versatile. You could do, you know, a lot of styling with her. And I think that it's a very flattering style. And like I said, it's pretty lightweight, so it could even work in the summertime. Or if you're in situations where there's more heat involved. So yeah, so this is what I have for you today. If you have blaze and you have thoughts, please go ahead and put them down below. I will include my name brand wig playlist down below so you can see all of the Estetica wigs that I have reviewed. If there's one that you would like to see that is not in there, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!